Okay, I'm back. So I sketched in a few more basic things. I made a few corrections. I had kind of made this space too short originally, so I made that a little bit longer. You can see how this has a little bit more length than I originally had. Now I'm just going to focus a little bit on what's called line weight. So if you look here, this would be a really thin light line that would have low line weight. This would be a thicker, heavier line that has more weight. This line has even more weight. If I really press and use the side of the pencil, that line has a lot of weight. So I'm going to try to apply line weight into the shoes here. Some of these lines are going to be very, very distinct and bold and have a lot of weight. So for instance, some of these markers right in here, okay, I'm going to add a lot of line weight right here in this part. Okay, maybe slightly less here. But then when I get to like all of these parts on the shoe that aren't as distinct of lines as this, then I use much lighter line weight. So I'm just going to kind of keep these as really light. And then anywhere where there's kind of the shadows, I can apply more line weight as well. It's strangely foreshortened the drawing, see when I hold it like that. So I'll add more line weight here. So you don't have to do any shading at all with these. In fact, you shouldn't. I want you to try to show dimension just by using contour lines and line weight. And all of these up in here. Okay, I'm going to keep these still light, but this can be heavier. All right, so that's the basic gist. You can keep filling it all in and go from there. All right, good luck.